We are live.
Or, not really. Maybe someday.
Yeah, maybe someday. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we have 8 packs of the brand new Pokemon Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage.
Yay! Woo!
This pack is upside down because it came like that in the package. So this is gonna be the one with the VMAX Rainbow Pikachu.
Yeah, we're counting on that one. And you got these from the Pokémon Center, right? The official store.
Yes. I'm lucky I got them because they sold out the next day. So just in case we get a good card, we do have the top loaders and sleeves.
Penny sleeves, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So let's just.
I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm seeing like the physical, real Vivid Voltage right? in front of me.
Let's get these open. I don't really know how to open these. All right, there we go.
Beautiful.
First pack. Yeah, why not? You can have the code card.
Beautiful.
Is it 4?
Yep.
4 from the back. Give it a tap. Green energy. However you pronounce that. Go Goat. Windham Stadium. Beldum. However you pronounce that. You got Wooper. Nincada. Whismer. Then is that a?
I think that's a reverse holo.
Yeah.
I can always like not tell from the dark. The dark type is always hard to tell. But...
Yeah. And then a rare card. Flareon.
Ooh, evolution. Beautiful.
I'll put those two in a pile.
VIP.
Then we just got the other cards off to the other side.
Real Breaking Nate, the YouTuber, says the VIP section is very important Pokemon.
Oh, that's one way to say it. All right. I'm just so bad. Please excuse my
handiwork.
Yes, handiwork. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome. Got lightning energy. Wash energy. Sir Chester Bath. Hitmontop. Joltik. Oh, that card fell to the floor. Weedle. However you pronounce that. Sandile. Oshawott. A reverse hollow league staff, and a rare. Oh,
hollow.
Got a hollow
Duraludon.
The price will be here somewhere. Sure. It's a sweet card.
I always really appreciate hollows. More than reverse hollows. I think it looks cooler with the Pokemon in the background.
I'm gonna sleeve that one. Pretty good centering. Pack number 3. Let's just lost the cards. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. No rhyme this time because I'm out of rhymes. Alright, we got the water energy. Metatang. Mighty Ia. Beauty. Jilbur. Whelmer. Cottony. Clobopus. Electrike. Reverse hollow. Aromatic energy.
That's pretty.
And our rare. Electros. What a shame.
I think that trainer card's kind of cool. I don't know.
Yeah. All right. Pack number 4. So far, it's been a stinker.
Not bad. I mean, this is you just building up your just set as a whole. Think about it that way. Be positive.
Yeah.
The glass is half full, Michael.
Nah, the glass is clearly empty on this one so far.
Oh. Oh.
Give it a
Geez.
tap. Got a...
The tap matters.
It does.
Okay.
It does matter.
Yeah.
What's that energy?
Dark.
We got Dark Energy. Swoobat. Magcargo. Got League Staff again. Pineco. Clefairy. Tynamo. Milcery. Meowth. A reverse holo. Epiphany. Then we got a...
Ooh.
Arphimos? I think that's how you pronounce it.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
It's a sweet card.
Yeah, sleeve that up.
Alright.
That goes in the VIP section.
Yes.
Beautiful.
There we go. That's our first good hit. Oh, besides the Duralon. That's a pretty good hit too, I guess.
Ooh, this is the special pack.
The special upside down
the
pack.
one that was shipped upside down
Yes.
in the package.
So that means there's a Rainbow VMAX Pikachu here.
Yeah, we're counting on that.
Yep.
I like your technique.
Yes, just throwing it behind me. Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a nice firm tap there.
The Michael tap.
Yep. Fighting Energy. Drone Rotom. Swoobat. Excadrill. Epiphany. Epiphany? Right? Yeah. Fampy?
Fampy. No,
Fampy.
Fanpy.
Fanpy.
Okay.
Yes. There we go.
Wow, that
Fanpy.
card has gotten the most love so far.
Shuppet. Poochia.
I had a teacher named that. Anyways.
That's interesting.
Okay.
Voltorb. Rockruff. A reverse holo
Dretna.
Oh!
Oh!
You got a Colossal VMAX.
Oh, VMAX. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Sweet.
Oh, that's so pretty. That's the most, holofoil shiny card I've seen so far.
Yeah.
In the Sword and Shield series.
It's a sweet card.
Oh, wow.
This border's smaller than this border. Alright. 3 packs left. I'm 2 for 3 on the taps here, so.
Yeah, the taps have been working out pretty well.
Code card.
Think the people took the code cards on our first video over there?
Maybe. Oh, can't forget the tap.
Yes.
Alright, we got the neaten that pile up real quick. Alright.
No
Fire Energy.
No spoilers, Michael.
Nope, no spoilers. Swellow. League Staff. Charmeleon. Wooper. Nincada. Whismer. Drillbur. Wallimer. Reverse Holo Excadrill. And then our rare card is a Exploud. Kind of a stinker.
The Michael tap really does work, though. It's just that time he just didn't do it right.
I didn't tap firm enough.
Right.
All right, 2 more packs here.
Those Who Do's becomes a Pokemon channel.
Got a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a tap. Let's go. Got a Psychic Energy. Stone Energy. Lighting. Shuckle. Crabmorant. Execute. Eevee. A Woobat. Aerocuda. Seedot. Oh! We got a Rainbow Rare Rayquaza.
Oh.
And we got a Obeetle V Max.
Oh, okay, so the Michael Tap definitely worked on
Definitely
this.
works.
Oh my gosh.
Two sleeves for that.
That's the new type of rare card in the Vivid Voltage set. That's just that's a totally new design that they went for. How it's like still like a traditional type of card, but you can tell with the background leaking through that it has like a very rare looking cool design. So
check out this one first. Yeah, the centering's way off. This border is very thinner than this border. And on the back, usually the corners, but all the corners have looked great so far.
I've been eyeing the Rayquaza. That's
yeah, this is a beautiful card.
Yeah, that's really exciting because the like I said, it's a new type of card design that they went for.
Centering looks good. Looks a little bottom heavy, but they give a little leeway when they're grading centering. And yeah, the corners look good. Back looks good. There we go. Our final pack. Can we get the V Max Pikachu? If you haven't already, click that like button and click the red subscribe button if it's red.
And it's free, right, Michael?
It's free.
It's free.
And you can always change your mind later.
But you probably won't because you're going to be so amazed by this wonderful content.
Yes, this wonderful content of me struggling to open Pokemon packs. You guys can have it. There you go.
Last pack magic and the Michael Tap.
The tap.
They
two taps.
Okay. All this power, all this magic.
That's steel, right? Or
yes.
Yeah, steel energy. Koraka.
It's a Korok.
Korok, yeah, from Zelda.
Yahaha.
Aromatic energy. Glaventula. Sorry for my pronunciation today.
Chimichanga. That one.
Yes, this one. Slugma. It's a great name. Beldum. Milcery. A reverse hollow Chimecho. And our final card is a stinker.
I'd say you did good.
Did pretty good.
Yeah.
Marco can put on screen if we made a profit off this or not.
Right. And you said the 8 packs in total was how much?
$32 for 8 packs.
So a little bit more than like a regular featured Pokemon box, but a little less than a trainer box.
Mm-hmm.
Tune in for more Pokemon card videos and other things like Nintendo or anything.
Yes. Gotta catch them. Oh. No, we can't. We're gonna get copyrighted now.
Okay, well, let's end the video, Michael.